Yo. What is up? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, you see the thumbnail, you didn't know what it's about. So this is Super Bowl halftime show. Super Bowl halftime show. So Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, Eminem, Mary J. Blige, Kendrick Lamar, full Pepsi halftime show for the Super Bowl. So we're gonna jump in on one here and see what I'm going. Obviously, this one's been out for about a week now, but I've been so busy. Just had the chance now to do some reactions. So let's jump to the one and see what them G say. Let's go,
The
man.
National Football League welcomes you to the Pepsi Super Bowl 56 halftime show.
Off the streets of Compton.
Legendary. Entrance. Yeah.
It's the one and only 𝗝𝗔𝗔𝗓𝗏.
Snoop Dogg.
You know what happened with the DRE?
Yeah. Yo, Snoop Dogg hasn't changed one bit, bro. Snoop Dogg is still the same Snoop, bro.
You know what happened with the DRE?
Oh, G.
Y'all know what this is, so can y'all make some noise for my man Snoop Dogg?
Legendary, bro.
Come on, louder, y'all.
Legendary.
Top dog, bottom all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, go ahead and turn it on up. CPT, LVI, yeah, we hook it back up. And when they bang this in the club, they beat, you got to get up. Thug homie, drug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, your life, boy, we giving it up.
Yeah.
Take chances while we dancing in the party for show.
Yeah.
So I girl a 44 and she crept in the back there with these chickens looking at me strange, but you know
No, I don't care.
Step up in this mother, just a swing in my hand.
Yeah.
Quit talking, quit walk if you down with the sick. Take a bullet with some
Live
and
band.
take this
Oh, live
shit
band.
out of town, put it down for the father of rap.
Crip,
And if you happen to get cracked, shut your
crip.
trap.
Yeah.
Back part of success. If you believe in the ass, you'll be relieving your stress.
Okay. A lot of people ask me if I've seen the show yet. If I've seen this performance, I did not see it. It's my first time watching it. First time watching it. Yeah!
It's the one and only DRE.
Dr. Dre, you little busters.
Little busters.
You know I'm riding with the DOGG.
West Coast, make some noise!
Whoa! Look at the crowd, bro.
Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air.
Legendary, dog.
Everybody put your hands in the air. Put your hands way up in the air.
Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West. A state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track is your eardrum like a slug to your chest.
I hope the younger rappers are taking fucking notes, bro. Like, I hope the younger rappers are taking notes of what's going on right here. This is history, dog. History. Homage, bro.
Like the best for your Jimmy in the city you say. We in that Sunshine State where the bomb ass can be. A place where you never find a dead slow empty. And pimps be on a mission for them greens. Lean, money making machines serving things. I've been in the game for 30 years making rap soon. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon. Now it's 22. They clock me, watch me, diamond shining, looking like a Rob.
Yo, Dre still sound the same. Dre no change, bro. None of them no change.
Karachi, it's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the palm if your city get paid.
So
Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight
California,
down
y'all.
Yo, you have to respect Dre and rate Dre. Listen, Dre come up on the stage. Dre come up on the stage with no jewelry, no chain, no watch, no rings, no nothing. Just, yo, the man is just a genius, bro. Let's see what I got there. Nothing at all, bro. See that? See that?
Go, Sean. It's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. We
Jesus.
gonna party like it's your birthday.
G, bro. Legendary.
You don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday.
looking for me in the woo. Yeah.
I got what you need if you need to feel above. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love, so come give me a hug. You in the getting rough. When I pull up out front, it's being so good. When I roll 20 deep, always drama in the
so Eminem not dropping, Mary J. Blige not dropping, Kendrick Lamar not dropping. Whoa.
Look, homie, ain't nothing changed. Hold down, G's. I see exhibit in the cut it, man, roll up trees.
I would love to experience being at this show, taking this live. I would love to be that guy, like, dear, like, yeah, hype as fuck. Hype as fuck. Gotta walk with the leg.
They say 50 you hot. Lately I want to love it and they love. But how they do the show, they tell you I'm low. And the plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm putting focus in. My money on my mind.
Voice is done. That's the best right now.
That's all she said. She feeling my style. She feeling my girls are with it. They ride. They're ready to go. Okay, club. Bottle full of bug. My mind got what you need. If you need to fill a bug, I'm live.
Don't get it wrong though. His performance is still fire. But his voice is not 100, that 50 like. I don't know if he had a show before this, but his voice is a bit low.
Bottle full of bug, my mind got what you need if you need to fill a bug. I'm live with sex, I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug. If you into getting love, you can find me in the club.
Boss. Mary, where she come from? Yo, Mary, don't get, yo, it's still the same Mary, bro. How you do it? How do you do it, girl? Mary hasn't changed one bit. Yo, this is, yo.
Come on, everybody, get on down.
As a kid growing up, Mary J. Blige has always been my crush, bro. Like, woman crush. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the day between Sunday and Saturday. You know that's a day, yeah, that even that day, the day between Sunday and Saturday. There's a day between there for me when it comes out to she. She's my crush.
Cause you know you got to get it wrong. Mary J's in the spot tonight, and I'ma make you feel alright.
Make you feel alright.
Come on, baby, just party with me. Let me set your body free. Leaving situations at the door.
Yo, because the dancer girls are them bad enough.
Just get it crunk. Let's get crunk upon in this dancery. Got your open in so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration. Operation in this dancery. Let's get it percolate. While you're waiting, so just dance for me. Broken heart again. Another lesson learned. You better know your friends, or else you will get burned. Gotta count on me, cause I can guarantee that I'll be fine. No more pain, y'all. No more days messing with my mind. No more.
Yo. Yeah. Legendary lady. Legend, man. So I'm here watching Mary's performance, but I'm also looking to see if I can see the change they're all making, because they are doing it so slick to introduce the next artist. Like, you're not seeing it until it happened right in front of you, dog. And I love this, dog. I love this. Yeah, Mary.
some. Seems like the whole city go against me every time I'm in the street.
Welcome to Jaden.
Man down, where you from?
All's my life I has to fight. All's my life I. Hard times like bad trips like Nazareth, I'm on one, you on one. God got us, we gon' be alright.
Yo, come on, dog. This doesn't get no better than this. This lineup don't get no better than this, bro.
And when I wake up, I recognize you looking at me for the pay stub. But I'ma stop you looking at you from the face down. Make a left and leave it boom with the face down.
Yeah.
Let me tell you about my life. Painkillers only put me in the twilight. But pretty, it's the highlight. I tell my mama I love her, but this what I like. Lord knows. 20 devil in my Chevy. Tell them all to come and get me. Ripping everything I stole. Come and
Yo, all the dancers dyed their hair. All the dancers dyed their hair just for this. This is some preparation went into this, you know, that, because it had to be perfect on the night, you know, because the whole world and more is watching. People from outer space is watching this show right now, like, you know what I mean? Yo, big up Kendrick, man.
Preliminary year in my record. Tell him I'm a gangster and selling for the record. Tell the world I think I'm free. Trying inside my vices all day. Won't you please believe it now? Won't you please believe it now? What you know, we've been hurt down before. When the pride was low, looking at the world like, where do we go? And we ain't wanna kill a dead in the street for show. I'm at the preacher door, knees getting weak, blood might flow. We gon' be all 35 summers in the making, stop faking, you forgot about Dre. 35 summers in the making, I'm talking NWA. 35 summers in the making, stop faking, you forgot about Dre. 35 summers in the making, I'm talking NWA.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say. But nothing comes out when they move the lips, just a bunch of gibberish.
Got a bad J. Yo, he set that up perfect for Eminem, bro.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk.
Go back.
35 summers in the making, stop faking, you forget about Dre. 35 summers in the making, I'm talking NWA.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move the lips, just a bunch.
Imagine the amount of rehearsal that go into this, bro, to get it so perfect, bro. Eminem is a god, bro. Like, hate him or love him. Eminem is, growing up, Eminem was one of my favorite rappers of all time. Like, I say that to people up to this day, and they're like, no, you crazy? I'm Tupac or Biggie. No, the reason why Eminem for me is Eminem say shit that nobody else don't want to say or scared to say. Eminem put his career on the line numerous amount of times just to say shit that nobody would never dare say. That is why I respect this guy, bro. He's fucking... Let me sound gone. Yo, big up Ems, man.
Talk like they got something to say, but nothing.
Talking NWA.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move the lips, just a bunch of gibberish.
Lower that up.
But nothing comes out when they move the lips, just a bunch of gibberish. Back when they forgot.
Goosebumps.
You had
Goosebumps.
one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment. Would you capture it? Just let it slip.
These weak arms are heavy. There's vomit on the sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking out. Everybody's joking now. The clock's run out. Time's up. Over. Plow. Snap. To reality. Oh, there goes gravity. There goes gravity. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he knows he won't have it. He knows his old back to these ropes. It don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so sad that he knows when he goes back to this mobile. That's when he's back to the lab, nigga, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment.
the drummer, the guitarist, and the piano. Yo, pick up the whole band, bro. Here we go. Fuck.
Still Snoop Dogg.
Guess who's back?
I see you still doing it. Make some noise for Dr. Dre.
Yeah, still. AK, the good.
I can't keep it home a lot. Cause when I frequent the spots that I'm known to rock, you hear the bass from the truck when I'm on the block. Ladies, they pay homage, but haters say Dre fell off. How homie, the last album was The Chronic. They wanna know if he still got it. They say rap changed.
Still got it, bro.
Know how I feel about it.
You ain't up on fame.
Dr. Dre is the name. I'm ahead of my game. Pumping my leaf, still touching the beats. I still rock them khakis with a cup in the crease. I still got love for the streets, reppin' 213. Still the beats bang, still doing my thing. Since I left, ain't too much change.
Still, I'm representing for them gangsters all across the world.
And still
hitting them corners in them logos, girl.
and still taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the
I'm
DRE.
representing for them gangsters all across the world.
And still
Hitting them corners in them logos, girl.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets.
Yo,
It's the DRE.
look at that picture, bro. Look at that picture there. All you can see is greatness, bro. Like, fucking greatness, dog. Greatness, bro. Yo, I love this, dog.
Watching the Pepsi Super Bowl 56 halftime show. After the game, go to NFL.com/SBLVA to watch.
Yo, that was fucking fire, bro. Young artists, I hope you got young rappers. I hope you guys are actually taking notes, dog. Like, sing song with longevity, sing song that have substance, sing songs that actually mean something that can play next 40 years, 50 years from now, dog. Like, look at this shit, dog. Yo, big up Snoop, big up Mary J. Blige, my crush. Dre, big up herself. Eminem, big up herself. 50, big up herself. Kendrick, big up herself, and big up the whole production team. Yo, this was epic, bro. Yo, this was epic, dog. Like, I could never ask for a better lineup. Are the organizers could never ask for a better lineup, bro. It's just like one thing that grabbed me also is the actual transitions, bro. Like that, like how they actually transition from one artist to the next artist. Yo, that's a killer. That is a fucking killer. And we got the artist then, bro. This is where I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy the one and want to see more reaction from your boy, please drop a like on the video, subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hear that?